If you're Lebanese, you will know immediately what I'm making. Today we will make the easiest sahlab at home. Sahlab is like a hot milk pudding drink that we make in winter. And don't worry, you don't need sahlab powder to make it. The first ingredient is totally optional. I know most of you don't have it outside Lebanon. It's mastic and we call it mistika. We put some sugar with it and we crush it until it's fine. We usually put mistika in many Lebanese desserts. I will use only half the quantity of the mastic here because too much of mastic adds a bitter taste to the desserts. Now in a small pot, add 3 cups of milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. This means that each 1 cup of milk needs 1 tablespoon of sugar. The substitute for sahlab powder is cornstarch. We will use 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't make it heaped, just like this, and add the mastic crushed with sugar. Now whisk all the ingredients very well without any heat. Put it on medium heat until it starts to thicken, then add 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Whisk it until you reach the desired consistency. You don't need it too thick, you need it smooth like this. When you reach this texture, turn the heat off and serve it immediately. Before putting the sahlab into your cup, a quick tip, put hot water into it and then remove it. This way the cup is not cold anymore and you preserve the heat of the sahlab for a longer time. Now our sahlab is ready. The texture should be like this. You should drink it easily. It should not be too thick at all. It should be smooth like this. Sprinkle some cinnamon on the top and serve it. This is the easiest way to make sahlab at home and it will taste exactly the same as the one we buy it from outside. Yalla, try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.